Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Rochelle with a Beaded Jewel, and I'm going to be doing a review or an unboxing of Bargain Bead Box for February 2026. Have this laying out so you have something to look at just until I get started. And this was from last month's box. The abalone on it. I just copied Lauren's necklace that she made, which was really pretty. Came out really pretty. So I like that. I was trying to pull that out there anyway. And then I think these are is it Jill? Can't remember what Jill made these earrings. I just went ahead and copied these since, come on, get up there, because I liked them. So I thought it would definitely go with this necklace. So there you go. So I'll leave that there till I'm done. So February 2026 Bargain Bead Box. So it's basically a fairy tale romance. It's basically an earthy enchantment in this romantic palette of natural gemstones. We love those. And basically it's we got some unakite and rhodonite, and which actually makes a perfect couple, as they state here. With a supporting cast of pink, green, and antique copper accents. Love copper accents. And lampwork mushrooms, which are so cute, and chunky rose quartz nuggets. So let's get started. I'm not going to go in any numbered order. We'll get started. So I'm going to move this out of the way. And I haven't done one of these in a while. I don't know why. Just been busy doing other things, and been sick all the, come on, get up. Been sick all this week with a horrible bad cold. I never had a cold before where you have to actually lay down, and I've been laying down like all week. I mean, so I'm hoping my voice lasts me here. Let me open this water real quick, bear with me. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So I'm just gonna do it. Here we go. I don't think I was gonna pull in the camera a little bit more, but maybe I'll just hold it up close to the camera while I lay it out. So these are the fairy charms, and these are in the antique copper, of course. Look how cute that is. These are super cute. I've never seen these before. So we got those. Guess I can pull in a little bit. I wasn't going to do this, but I got the box just now. I opened it and I just love antique copper, so I won't take all these out. I'll leave one in. You get 6 of these gorgeous beauties. Flower coin spacers. Look at the detail on that. These are just gorgeous. It's a width there. I just love these. Okay. Continuing with the copper. Here we have, and some of you probably have already seen people designing already with their Bargain Bead Box. So this is, look at this, let me get it right. Look at that. So it's a 48 by 28 mil rhodonite and brass marquise pendant. Super gorgeous, huh? Beautiful. There's the back. Just love that. It does look Victorian. And oh, I love these. I have a few of these already, and I never get tired of them. So let's see here. Yeah. And you get 2 pieces of these shield links. Links, you can use it as a link or a pendant. Has a hole there and up top there. It's the same on both sides, what makes designing a lot easier. So I got those. Those are so pretty. Let's see, any more metal? Here's some. Oh, clasp. Got some toggle clasp here. It's like a leaf design. This is really pretty. I don't have any of these yet. So we like those. We got 2 sets of those. And we got some little spacer beads in here. I won't open them. Some spacer beads. Oh, we got more of these. I won't take all these out. You get 16 pieces of these spacer beads. These are really pretty. Have some nice weight to it. They make the, you know, your design look really, kind of gives it that rich look, you know. And what else? Oh, chain, chain, chain. There you go. I'm not going to take the chain out. Well, maybe I will. It's a pretty chain. It's the Figaro chain. It's really pretty. So I'll leave that there. And okay, we'll get on to some of the beads. And I won't take all of these out. Got some rhodonite beads, 8 pieces, 10 mils of melon faceted beads here. Well, kind of faceted, the melon shape there. This is nice. Got some solid pieces and some pieces with that black veining in there. Very pretty. Here's some more rhodonite. We have a strand of 6 mil faceted rhodonite beads. Alright, and here we go, some more rhodonite. These are 8 mil. And these are mostly all pink. Let's see. We get 7 inches of it. Look at that. Really pretty. It's coming together very nicely. And here we go, some more copper. Never have enough copper. I won't take all these out. So these are round flower links. And look at that pretty flower on there. I don't think I have any of these. Isn't that gorgeous? You see the little flower on there. Oops. These are really pretty. That detailed work on there. A detailed carving of the flower. Oops, okay. And here's the other pendant. So this is the Unikite and Brass Teardrop Pendant. This is super cute. Look how cute that is. Really cute. Very rich looking. Okay. Now, of course, you have to have a little rose quartz in there. So here's some rose quartz nugget beads. They are large. Super pretty. See it right there. And they are, of course, not uniform in size. There you go. So you got all different sizes in here to work with. And here we go. We could get a lot in this bag. You get 23 items, I believe. Let's see. Yep, 23 items. And here is some more Unikite. Gorgeous colors in here. Really pretty. And that is 8 mil. Gorgeous box, huh? And here we go. We got some crystals, some 4 mil crystals. And green and brown iris. And this is a great match. So pretty. Look at all these colors together. It's gorgeous. Oh, this looks pretty. I didn't see this yet. Okay, so this is a locket pendant flat with a flower on it. Look at that. I didn't know this was in this month's box. I've never seen it before. So does it open? Oh, yes it does. There you go. So pretty. So pretty. And flower bead caps, 8 mil. These are pretty. These are super pretty. I won't take them all out. There you go. You got 24 pieces of these. And we got some more crystal here. Some more pink and white crystal. 4 mil. Look how sparkly that is. I just love this one. These are really pretty. Okay, and here we go with the lapwork beads, our glass mushroom beads. And you get 4 of these. They are in like a forest green and peachy color. And of course these are super cute. It's the top of the hole. Very cute. Okay, we got a few more here. Some more Unikite nuggets, I see. Well, actually they're barrel beads. I'm going to put one back in. And these are like 10 mil. And these are super pretty. Look at all the color in there. The green with that red in there a little bit. I really like these. And we got some more sparkle, some pink. 8 mil faceted fancy rondelle beads in rosaline. There you go. Now that is some sparkle right there. Super pretty. Just love these. Look at the facet in there. Love, love, love these. Where am I going to put you at? Over here. And we have one more left. Isn't it sad? And these are pretty too. Look at that. You get a handful of Unikite tumbled nugget beads. It's 15 inches. Gorgeous, huh? Look at this. Just gorgeous. And this ends our fairy tale romance. Of course it all has to come to an end, right? But look at that. It's not just gorgeous. My goodness. Just love. Just love the copper metal with the pinks and that green. Wow, the little fairies. Super cute. So I hope you like this box for this month. The Fairy Tale Romance, February 2026, Bargain Bead Box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out my Amazon items you'll find on there. A lot of those will go well with this box. They're all listed below. You can just click on it, take a link. Click on the link and see if you like it. I use everything that I put down there that's listed. So that's it, folks, for this box, this gorgeous box. I can't wait to make something with it. So I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the box, if you made anything with yours yet or whatever. I just love it. All right, take care, everybody, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.